on departure, good evening, radar contact, Huntington 15,000.
Huntington 15,000.
Center Alaska, trouble to declare an emergency. We're descending down to 10,000. Just depressurized. 3023, flight pivot heading to Alaska 1282. Hey, Portland approach Alaska 1282, emergency aircraft now leveling 12,000 and a left turn heading 340.
Alaska 1282, foreign approach, good afternoon, you still have some Franklin Blue. Alaska 1282, did you declare an emergency or just need to return to the...
Yes, we are emergency, we are depressurized, we do need to return back to, we have 177 passengers, fuel is 18.8.
Alaska 1282, sounds good, turn left heading 280, I'll just box it around in this area here.
Alright, 280 on the heading, thanks Alaska 1282. Portland Tower 1282, we're on the ILS 3, last emergency aircraft.
Alaska 1282, Portland Tower, wind 160 at 11, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Settle in, runway 28 left, Alaska 1282.